What's going on, everybody? This is James.
I'm Mariz.
So today we're going to be talking to you guys about real estate lead generations, and we're going to talk to you guys about tips and tricks for email marketing and why is email marketing important and what are we doing as marketer, as internet marketer, and as real estate agents to stay in contact with our database.
So before we begin, we want you guys to go watch our webinar on how we went from zero to making $343,000 in less than 365 days by focusing on Facebook ads, YouTube, and Instagram in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in our real estate business, even if you're a new agent, little marketing budget, or nobody knows who you are, all without doing any open house, door knocking, or cold calling. Then watch the whole video. There's a lot of information and a lot of things to learn in it. And then if you guys have any question, then go to partnerwithfam.com to schedule a call with us. Again, the webinar is at 343kclass.com, and to schedule a call with us is partnerwithfam.com.
Okay, so guys, the first important thing when it comes to email marketing is that you want to start building a quality email list. So what is a quality email list? A quality email list is pretty much a database of your target audience. So for us, since we're in real estate, we want to build a database of potential buyers and seller who is interested in real estate, buying or selling, right? So we start out by running Facebook ads. If you see here, we're going to show you yesterday how many leads we generated and how many leads we generated today. Yesterday, we generated 1 lead yesterday. And then today, we generated, so far we generated 1 lead today. But within the last 7 days, right? So if you look at within the last 7 days, it all averaged out to about 32 leads and about $4.36 a lead. So what is a lead? Name, phone number, and email of somebody who is interested in buying. So once the lead comes in, you gotta have a really good system in terms of to manage that database. One of our systems that we use is a track ROI, where it automatically texts, email, and automatically calls. And then another system that we use is KV Core. Once you have a high quality list, what you want to do is you want to start promoting and you want to start educating your database, and you want to start building that relationship with them through videos. One of the things that we do with our email list is it's very important for us to separate if they're a buyer, if they're a seller, if they're their time frame, right? What is it that they're looking for? For our email list, what we do, right, is we separate them through different categories, such as 1, are they real estate agents? 2, are they buyers? Or are they clients that have a real estate agent already? Do not call. We separate them into old leads. We separate them into new leads. We set them in new leads with no response. And then we separate them into leads that responded 1 or 2 words, contacted, how many people that respond and that we talk to either through text or phone, to be called /text /prospect. So we need to contact them or call them. 12-month nurture, working hot, 3 to 6 months. We separate them into already do a consultation call that we need to do a consultation call with them. And then we separate them into a appointment, right? Either like we already meet with them already or already talk to them over the phone. And then we separate them in terms of, did we do a deep dive analysis in terms of their finance? Then we go more into detail about if they're ready, willing, and able, and then all the people that we have under contract, and then our close. That's one of the systems that we use to organize our leads. But the tricks, guys, the trick is that you want to send them email daily, okay? One of the things that we do for our email marketing campaign is we start creating a auto text campaign. So like, for example, if you go here, so you want to start building a 30-day text campaign, a 7-day text campaign. Guys, if you guys want this type of stuff, you're building your auto text campaign, let us know. Reach out to us, book an appointment with us. We'll send that over to you guys. We'd love to help you guys grow your business. But really, these are the text messages that you want to create, like a 30-day text campaign, right? That you text them for 30 days, a 7-day text campaign. But before you do all marketing, you want to make sure to have a 30-day text campaign, a 30-day email campaign. And here's an example of what we text and what we email our database. Right? So let's look at Gilbert. Okay, Gilbert is receiving this email. He's receiving different text and email campaign. So for example, he's receiving search alert emails. So every single day he gets a email of all the home properties that's in the area that he's currently looking for. And on the bottom of the email, he also has an opportunity to watch our YouTube channel. So once he click on this link, it leads them to our YouTube channel. So that's one of the things that they can do. And then they can click on all the buyer favorite new constructions. And if they're interested in learning how we can help them save $1,000 when it comes to buying, they can jump on our calendar and they can go straight to our calendar, the new construction buyer consultation call, and book an appointment with us to meet with us. Or if they want to learn how they can partner up with us in real estate, they can do that. But every single day, they'll get this email daily. They also get different emails. Like for example, if you look at one of our 1-year nurturing campaign. So if you go to our marketing, which is our smart campaign, right? You go here, you go to our smart campaign. You'll see that one of the things that we do have, let's just say we have a 1-year campaign, right? Like for example, a 1-year nurturing campaign. We email them weekly in this campaign, which is how to find motivated seller, how, if you're looking for a fixer upper, pretty much we want to email them weekly, right? So then they have an idea of who we are and what we do. Email them educational piece, email them your information, okay? And the email would look like this. I'll show you. Let's just say, let's look at renting versus buying email, okay? Renting versus emails. Hi, John, here's a great video from the Khan Academy about renting versus buying. So there, it's attached, and then they'll click on it, and the home buying process isn't everybody, and pretty much just educating them and letting them know, hey, here's our calendar if they're interested in buying. So that's one example. Here's an example of a start a home email campaign that is being set. You want to set these email drip up, okay? So that's just one example of the 1-year nurture. Here's another example of the email nurturing campaign. Like for example, second email coming out. Here's another example of the market shifting emails, just in case that they are interested in buying. So here's an example of it. I'll click on it. Hey, is it helpful? I'd be willing to walk you through a couple of property. Also, I can connect with you and recommend you a different lender and answer all your mortgage questions. Let me know. Either way, here's the link to our calendar, right? So these are all the email sequences, but you want to start setting up your auto drip campaign. So one of the things that we also use, which is a pretty powerful thing, is setting up auto alerts, auto home search alert, and auto email campaign, but also behavior automation text messages. Once a lead visit our website after 14 days, they'll get this email. After they visit our site 5 times within the last week, they get this email. If they look at the property 3 times, they'll get this email. For example, this is the email they'll get. Hi, John, I just sent you a text. I saw that you're checking out a few property, including, here's the listing address. I'll put some research around that property for additional information, past offer and all that stuff. Is there any other information that will be helpful? And then also if they need help learning how we can help them save $25,000 to $100,000 when buying, jump on our calendar. But that is the email. And then on top of that email, they also get a text message. Hey, John, I'm just checking in some specific listing on our site. I just want to check out a property in person, or let us know, jump on our calendar. We'd love to talk to you. People visit our site a couple of times, it automatically send them a text message. It's automatically send them an email. They also get email daily through our system. But really, the smart CRM system, and here's what is unique about the automation process and the automation business. You'll see here's our dashboard. I'm going to show you real quick our dashboard, just so then you guys can see it. All right, so here's the dashboard of all the buyers that visit and that have checked out some of the property within the last 24 hours. So if they visit our site, they will get text. So these are all so if they visit a couple times, if they haven't visited within the last 14 days, they will get text. Make sure that when you're emailing them, you email your potential buyers content. So what are valuable content? Valuable contents are like home search alert, educational videos, things that can help them save tons of money. You can email them videos. We email our client videos all the time. So we email our client videos in terms of educational videos. So all these videos that we created, we email them. And then after we email them, or text them, you want to be sure to have a call to action. We have a call to action for all of our emails. Like for example, if you look here, right, through some of our text messages campaign, through emails, through Smart Alert, so create a smart campaign. If you look at our 7-day conversation starter, you look at one of these emails, let's just say, so this is another campaign that we created for them. It's running simultaneously. We always put a call to action and basically letting them know, which is asking them either a question or we ask them something as simple as, for example, during our 7-day conversation starter, we offer them an opportunity to connect with us through an appointment, okay? So for example, let's look at Dan. He's been getting emails every single day and he's been getting text messages. So he viewed this property, right? Yesterday, we sent him a couple of emails and the day before that, we sent him an email, right? You want to create a call to action on the bottom of your email, okay? The call to action is, hey, watch and subscribe to your YouTube channel. Another call to action is jump on our calendar. Make sure to create a call to action. Provide valuable information. Start collecting leads through Facebook. So within the last 30 days, we generated over 147 leads. Name, phone number, and email. And we're sending them text messages, videos, we're sending them emails, and we're sending them emails daily, right, of property search alerts. And then we can see what is it that they're looking at. All right, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I want to make sure you guys understand the power of email marketing. Email marketing is very important. It allows you to build that relationship with your client. It's a great tool for you to master, okay? We're internet marketers, guys. So if you're interested in learning how to do 3 to 4 deals consistently every single month, we'll tell you what to do next, okay? So let's go.
So here's what to do next. If you are looking to consistently do an extra 3 to 4 deals per month, let us help you level up. Go to partnerwithfam.com for a free strategy call. And before you schedule your call with us, go watch our webinar training at 343kclass.com on how we went from zero to making $343,000 in less than 365 days by focusing on Facebook ads, YouTube, and Instagram in a brand new market, all without spending more than 4 hours a day in our real estate business, even if you're a new agent, little marketing budget, or nobody knows who you are, all without doing any open houses, door knocking, or cold calling. Then go to 343kclass.com or schedule your call with us at partnerwithfam.com. See you soon.